Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete folders in AOL Mail on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the AOL Mail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom, you're gonna see options like Inbox, Home, Receipts, and Subscriptions. Tap on Inbox, then go to top left corner and select the AOL icon. Now from there you can see options like Manage Account, Mail Folders, Contacts, etc. Select Mail Folders and scroll down. Now long press on the folder that you want to delete, then a menu will appear from the bottom of your screen from where you're gonna have to select Delete. And you can see the folder has been deleted. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete folders in AOL Mail on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.